Chemical laboratory. 1. A laboratory, often abbreviated as lab, is a place where scientific research and experiments are conducted. A laboratory can hold space for 1 to 30 or more researchers, depending on the size of the room and state's mandated maximum occupancy limit. 2. All laboratories share some common features, mainly laboratory equipment and laboratory glassware. Usually, they have at least one fume hood, where toxic and hazardous chemicals can be safely handled. This reduces and usually eliminates the risk of inhalation of toxic gases produced by the reaction of chemicals. 3. Laboratories usually have a sink for hand washing. A fire extinguisher is located in a laboratory, as well as a fire blanket to help exterminate fire in the event of an accident. There is also an e-wash station and an overhead shower in the event that chemicals come into contact with your clothes, skin, or eyes. 4. Supporting the laboratory is usually a stockroom or preparation room where dry and wet chemicals are stored. The stockroom prepares all the reagents, acids, and bases of various quantities and concentrations. It also orders and distributes supplies, glassware, chemicals, and personal protective equipment to the laboratory. 5. When researchers perform experiments in the laboratory, they use pure bases and sterile reagents. Impure chemicals undergo purification first and then are used in an experiment. Non-sterile reagents and fire autoclaved before use. Impure and non-sterile reagents interfere with experiment, causing undershot results. 6. The equipment and orientation of laboratory will ultimately depend on its purpose. University laboratories, as well as chemical and biochemical laboratories, will contain myriad of glassware. In these laboratories, general experiments will be performed to isolate or purify compounds, or perform research to gain new knowledge on a given compound or scientific idea. 7. Other common laboratory equipment include centrifuges to remove solid particles from a liquid or create a density gradient, spectrophotometers to accurately measure the optical absorbance of a liquid and particular violet measure its color, aspirator for providing suction, and water baths that maintain a substance at a particular temperature. 8. While there is a typical set of glassware used for conducting various experiments, other laboratories have different equipment and arrangements. Microbiology laboratories usually have separated rooms with negative pressure to prevent the breathing in of harmful bacteria. Air is often passed through a number of filters and then repumped into the room. 9. Laboratories designed for processing specimens, such as environmental research or medical laboratories, will have specialized machinery, automated analyzer, designed to process many samples and numerous tests. Research and experimentation is not a priority in these laboratories. The aim is to give a fast and reliable result.